All right, so here's me putting a clip on just to show you guys how easy it is. So I take the square nuts, I put them in here. I'll take the gun, and where the nuts go, the recessed area, I'll flip that over, kind of like gravity helped me. Put one in, put the second one in. And now I take my finger, and I'm gonna keep those where they need to be, flip it back over to the other side, take the clip, line it up, and I'll start threading the screws in here. So sometimes you'll see that they're out of alignment just a little bit. So just take this, put them where they need to be in alignment. Let's take a, this is a Swiss Army knife. The Tenicor screws you can use a Phillips or a flathead with. I'll start one to where it's not going to go anywhere, and then the other one, I'll just move my finger a little bit to line up the other nut so I can put this bolt in. Start it. And once I get it started, now we can play the height game. So remember, these are adjustable height-wise, and you can adjust them a little bit cant-wise. So this one's already on there. I'll line it up the way it was to begin with. Put my finger back in here, hold it tight, tighten down one. Make sure my alignment's correct, tighten down the other one. Check it real quick, make sure both clips are aligned, same height. There you go. That's how you put a clip on.